I would like to call on a very hardworking Executive Director of BNI Taguig Region, Miss Judy Quiason. Let's give her a round of applause, please. Woo!
Wow, I'm shaking. Thank you so much, Owie. I really appreciate it. I thought BNI needed me. I needed BNI. 12 years ago, while attending the John Maxwell Certification Program in Orlando, Florida, I first heard about BNI because some of our speakers, seasoned leaders, and entrepreneurs in that room spoke highly of it. They say that if you want to grow your business, you need quality connections. And BNI is a great place to be. Of course, I trusted my mentors. Bad news, BNI didn't exist yet in the Philippines. But 2 years later, a colleague told me that it was finally forming. That was Yarmo. I think he left already for another appointment, but I really want to extend my gratitude because he became my business partner back then. And while he's no longer with BNI Taguig, I am forever grateful and he will always be part of our story. When I visited the chapter, it wasn't what I expected. And that's okay because BNI was still taking root and everything felt raw and uncertain. But I chose to be part of the solution and help rebuild the first chapter. Apparently, I was not being part of the first chapter. The chapter was suspended and I was part of rebuilding it. So I found joy in adding value and think that I can, use whatever I know from the John Maxwell team to add value and practice leadership. But the journey wasn't always smooth because there were people and situations that tested my patience and shaped my growth. I often say, I met lions, tigers, laughing hyenas along the way. I'm sure you understand. And they transformed me. I thought I was adding value. And people were thanking me for helping them grow their business. And I said, maybe I can quit BNI. It's not here, but I'm sharing to you. Twice in my 10-year journey, I thought about leaving BNI. I attended a silent retreat together with some BNI members, and they didn't know I was praying and meditating about leaving the organization. And then I realized, it was a series of miraculous experiences, which allowed me to realize, and of course, I was proven wrong, that I have not fulfilled my mission yet. I thought I already helped a lot of people. I thought Giver's Gain is already happening because people are saying thank you for closed business. Then I realized BNI isn't just a platform to grow your business. It will grow and transform you when you allow it to. That the real Giver's Gain is not about just giving something and expecting something in return. That Giver's Gain is really giving a part of yourself to be very authentic and purposeful in helping others. And how come I was complaining about difficult people and difficult situations? So I realized and I said sorry that, yeah, I was being selfish. Loving people means sometimes we get hurt and it will not always be easy, but we choose to love. So, starting as a member and now serving as the executive director of the largest and globally recognized BNI Taguig region and contributing to BNI Philippines in various leadership roles over the past 10 years, I receive more than just business opportunities. I've built relationships. I've found a global community that stood by me, especially during life's toughest seasons. And most recently, as some of you know, my father passed away a few months ago, and I got sick. So foreign acquaintances who I just met last year became like family as they walked with me through health challenges. So they didn't just extend my life, they made it richer. And for the past 10 years, I couldn't have done it without this wonderful community of givers. And for that, I will always be grateful. Thank you.
RJ.